Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's a painful truth. Many people don't fail because they make bad decisions. They fail because they make good decisions at the wrong time. They invest too early. They spend too fast. They scale too soon. Money respects timing. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Fire the wealth timing discipline. This explains why patience and sequence control wealth more than intelligence. Medium White Star Section 1. What is wealth timing? Wealth timing is the discipline of knowing when to act, knowing when to wait, knowing when to prepare, knowing when to scale. Timing converts effort into results. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY. Most people break timing. Most people crossmark rush lifestyle upgrades, crossmark invest, without foundation, crossmark scale, before stability, crossmark copy others' timelines, crossmark fear missing out, impatience destroys compounding. Medium White Star Section 3. The wealth timing discipline model. Fire the wealth timing discipline has 4 phases, and order matters. Stopwatch Phase 1. Preparation, learning, saving, stabilizing income, reducing risk. Skipping preparation creates regret. Stopwatch Phase 2. Positioning, choosing assets, defining strategy, committing direction. Position before pressure. Stopwatch Phase 3. Execution, investing, building systems, consistent action. Execution works only when timed. Stopwatch Phase 4. Expansion, scaling, upgrading lifestyle, multiplying assets. Expansion too early causes collapse. Medium White Star Section 4. How to master wealth timing. Keycap 1. Stop comparing timelines. Keycap 2. Secure stability before scaling. Keycap 3. Delay gratification intentionally. Keycap 4. Follow sequence, not emotion. Keycap 5. Review timing quarterly. Right timing beats fast movement. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs your timing is disciplined. White have a checkmark. Calm progress. White have a checkmark. Fewer mistakes. White have a checkmark. Steady growth. White have a checkmark. Confidence in waiting. White have a checkmark. Long term wins. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money does not reward speed. Fire it rewards timing discipline. Apply the wealth timing discipline, and wealth will stop slipping through your hands.